What is a life coach? Coaching is a form of development in which a person called a coach assists another person called a coachee in reaching a specific personal or professional goal by providing feedback and support. Coaching focuses on the present and future rather than on the past. It is a collaborative process based on the assumption that the coachee knows what is best for him or herself. A life coach is a professional who helps people achieve their goals, live their best lives, and manage their personal and professional relationships. Life coaching is a process that helps people identify and achieve goals in their personal and professional lives. The life coach's role is to provide support and guidance, as well as challenge the coachee to think more deeply about what they want and how to get there. The coach helps the coachee identify and overcome any barriers that may be preventing them from achieving their goals. A life coach does not tell the coachee what to do, but instead encourages them to explore their options and make their own decisions. The coach also provides feedback and helps the coachee to stay on track and make progress towards their goals. How to become a life coach? If you want to become a life coach, there is no specific route to becoming a life coach, but there are a few things you should do to increase your chances of becoming successful. First, get certified. This is not mandatory, but it can help you land clients and prove your credibility. There are a number of reputable life coach certification programs out there, such as the American Council on Exercise's Life Coach Certification or the Professional Coactive Coach Program from the Coaches Training Institute. Second, get experience. As with any other profession, life coaching is a skill that you can only improve with practice. Volunteer or intern with a life coach, or even shadow someone for a period of time. See what life coaching is all about and get some first-hand experience. Finally, get involved in the coaching community. Join a coaching organization, attend coaching events, and read coaching blogs and articles. The more you know about coaching, the better equipped you'll be to become a successful life coach. So how much can you expect to earn as a life coach? It really depends on your experience and skills, as well as the location and demand for life coaches. However, most life coaches earn anywhere from $25 to $150 per hour. The average yearly salary is roughly $40,000. On the high end, there are life coaches making six figures or more. There's no question that life coaching is a rewarding profession. A life coach provides guidance, support, and accountability to clients and helps them to set and achieve goals.